So welcome back to my channel. In today's video we're going to be unboxing finger rings. So it's the original finger rings I get from Canada. So over here we got finger rings instructions, and it's very fun to play with them. We can swing them, pet them, rock them and sleep. And let's get unbox it. So guys, over here we got our finger rings, and we got over here the introductions over here. There are the introductions, and over here they're of other languages, 3 languages. I don't know really about. I think it's the English one. So it's your manual and blow ear kisses to finger rings and clap once or twice. You can read it and then you can play with them. So first we got the small finger ring, and it's Violet and Hope. So I think we got from over here the switch, and see it's saying oh wow, and we blow kisses like, and this also kisses. And when we swing it up like that, it's also being many voices. And I have done many of this, and I have done this blow clap once or twice. It's not working yet. I don't know. Yeah, it works. And hung the finger rings, we have done this, and this was really nice finger rings, and they're very awesome to play. And pat your finger rings head. Oh wow, I think it sleeps like that. And candle your finger rings, press hold both sensors. I think it sleeps like this candle. It's going to be sleeping night. So we got over here, and we're going to be switching off this one. And we got another one, that's the small one. We got this small one over here, and I think that gets like rid of those. And it got hung up with 2 tails like this. It was set up like this one, and it's a small, and in the finger you can hold it like this. And the small one, I think it's the silicone type or rubber type. It's opened like this, too hard to open. And oh wow, see you guys next time. So guys, this one have no sound because it's tiny little finger ring, and this one I love the most because it have tiny hairs, and that was cute. So guys, if you like my video, please subscribe to my channel. If you want to make more videos for me and you want to say another video, so please give it in the comment section. So don't forget to subscribe, like and share my videos. So see you next time. Goodbye.